guys, it is Ryobi Days 2023. We got a couple of things we ordered, so let's open up the boxes and see what we got. First and foremost, in box number one, oh, look at these.
I've been wanting. We've been
Yes.
wanting those. We've been using a crappy Harbor Freight that's just got a terrible case. We saw those and we were like, we gotta have those.
And they're link wall compatible, so they like hook onto the link system. Super cool. What else we got in here?
Just start pulling
Oh
them
my
off
gosh,
over here.
so many.
There's one.
Here's one. Look at that. Little saw. Box in a box in a box. Oh yeah, I forgot about
We ordered a bunch of stuff and couldn't remember.
Flip that one over. It's Link something.
Finally! This has got us the drawers. We've been wanting this forever.
It's got a little locking system. I don't know how it works. Oh, the batteries on back order. So they do have batteries as well. They've got a little battery setup that's also available. Pretty good. And little dividers, potentially.
Yeah, all the dividers are up top.
Yeah. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to go through and start using each and every one of these. Subscribe for more.